Today we're making watermelon rosé granita, aka grown-up snow cones. Start with 4 to 5 cups of fresh watermelon in your food processor, and you can use seedless or seeded watermelon for this, just depends on whether you want to deal with the seeds. Add the juice of 1 lemon, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and of course the rosé wine. You're going to use 1.5 cups of that, but if you use a little more, I'm not here to tell on you. Now turn your food processor on low for about 30 seconds or until the mixture is smooth and free of any large watermelon chunks. Little watermelon chunks are okay. Pour it out into a small freezer-safe dish and then freeze for at least 2 hours. After that, you're ready to scoop. I like to serve this in wine glasses to feel fancy, but it's hard not to eat it straight off the scoop too. Voila!